Hi, Damien and Ashley. Let me look at your work. Okay. Oh, that is so beautiful. Excellent work, Ashley. So it's really nice that you zoomed in on that phone. You made the background light so that it popped. I'm not sure, but if I had to guess, I would think that you used a little Photoshop on that to make it brighter. I love that you put a background in there. I just saw it. It creates a nice subtle texture and helps the phone pop out. Plus it has such an angular repeated pattern. It looks like it's math related, which works for this. The orange against the blue really pops, and the script type keeps it friendly. So it's a really nice design. The back, I can see what you mean. You want more angles, but sometimes you just got to do with what you got to do. So for this one, I think I would tighten it up a little bit. It looks a little strange that there's all this space down here. Consider this manufactured business instead of having it go so far across. If you just ended it on distributed, maybe you could have. Well, that would break it out. But what I was sort of going for is consider making it a tighter block. You could do that if you returned after and went through that way, and then you could sort of align it with the UPC symbol and then the left edge of the phone. Just tighten it up is basically all I'm saying. You might need more information. The other thing you might want to do is, since this is a spine right here, put the logo on the spine, put some sort of information up there. Anyway, that's all I got. I think you did a fantastic job. I really love the creative diagonal. It keeps my eye moving around the page, and the background pattern here was a real unexpected, nice surprise. Okay, Damien, same thing I said to John, I think, is bevel embossed drop shadow is something that was used a lot when Photoshop first came out. But because it was sort of overused back then, people don't do it anymore. Instead, I'm going to sneeze. Instead, there's a lot of other solutions out there. For example, this website from its Design Shack article talks about drop shadows aren't actually cool anymore. Instead, there's more of a subtle shadow done. Sort of hard to tell with the way that they laid this out, but the idea is to be subtle. Here's some examples of subtle drop shadows. They're very soft. They don't use a direct black color. We also talk about other design trends that just aren't cool anymore, that don't work. Anyway, so I would delete the drop shadow. Otherwise, it's the assignment says that the logo is to be done in Gill Sans, a different font. So you want to do that. But I like that you put something on the spine. I like the colors. Because this says keep up with life, I'm guessing that your audience is a senior, because young people keep up with life already, right? Otherwise, I would see if you can find a better resolution photo, possibly make it bigger, let the viewer really see it. Okay, otherwise, guys, take a good look at everybody else's work, see what works, see what doesn't work, offer suggestions on how they can improve it. Let me know if you have any questions.